Now we will study comparing and ordering large numbers. How we compare actually? Just see. These are the rules. Write the numbers in place value chart. Always prepare a place value chart because it helps a lot. In case of numbers with unequal number of digits, number having more digit is greater than a number having fewer digits. It is very simple. We will see in examples also. In number with equal number of digits, start from the left and compare the digits until they differ. How these rules will work, just see. It is our example. Choose the smallest and the largest number in each group. It is our first group. I'm just reading the number name of these numerals. 21 crore 33 lakh 45,207, 9 crore 63 lakh 54,357, 1 crore 95 lakh 1,872, 22 crore 1 lakh 43, 9 crore 54 lakh 68,600. At first we will write all these numerals in Indian place value chart. It is Indian place value chart which starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Now how we will write? Always remember we will start from ones place. 7 at ones place, 0 at tens place, 2 at hundreds place, 5 at thousands place, 4 at 10,000s place, 3 at lakhs place, this 3 at 10 lakhs place, 1 at crores place and 2 at 10 crores place. In similar way we will write all these numerals in this place value chart. Now we have to find out which numeral is the largest. So at first see, we will compare the number of digits in all these 5 numerals. In this 9 digits, in this numeral 8 digit, in this numeral 8 digit, in this numeral there are 9 digits and here are 8 digits. So among these 5 digits we can easily identify that this one and this one. It means this and this will be the larger as compared to other numerals. But how we will find out the largest? Just see here. Here is the digit 2 in both the numerals, which is same. So we will come at another place, nearby place, which is crores place. Here we will see here is 1 and here is 2. Which is the larger? Definitely 2. So that's why this numeral is the largest. It means 22 crore 1 lakh 43 is the largest number in this group. Now we will identify which one is the smaller. So how we will identify? Just see here. Again, at first we will see what are the numerals which has as compared to fewer digits for the smallest number. See, this, this and this. These 3 numerals have 8 digits as compared to these 2 numerals which has 9 digits. So we will now compare among these 3 numerals. Now we will see here is 9, here is 1 and here is 9. So which one is the smallest? Definitely 1 is smaller than 9. That's why this numeral is smallest. It means the smallest numeral will be 1 crore 95 lakh 1872 in this group. Choose the smallest and the largest number in each group. The second group is this. It is a set of numeral. I'm just reading the number name first. 80 lakh 8, 8 crore 7, 88 lakh 53,648, 9 crore 68 lakh 80,808, 7 crore 77 lakh 77,777. Now here it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores place in our place value chart, in Indian place value chart. So we will write down these numerals according to their places, and always we will start from ones. 8 at ones place, and this 0 at tens place, this 0 at hundreds place, and this at thousands place, this one at 10,000s place, this 0 at lakhs place, and this digit 8 at 10 lakhs place. In similar way, we will write down all the numerals in this place value chart. Now we have to find out which is the largest one. So according to the rule, at first we will see the number of digits in all the numerals. So see here are 8 number of digits in these three numerals. This one, and this one. 8 number of digits, right? So definitely our largest number will be among these three numerals. So which one is the largest? It is the question. Now we will compare the digits at crores place. Here is 8, here is 9, and here is 7. Which one is the largest? Yes, this one is the largest. That's why this is our largest number among this group. So it is 9 crore 68 lakh 80,808. Now for smallest number, we will compare these two number which has smaller digits, fewer digits we can say. So here number of digits are 7 in this numeral, and in this numeral also number of digits are 7. So among these we can see both have 8, number 8 at 10 lakhs place. So now what we will do, we will compare from this place, lakhs place, and from this place which one has a smaller digit? 0. Definitely there are 0 and 8, so 0 is smaller than 8. That's why this numeral is the smallest number in this group, and that is 80 lakh 8. Next topic is ascending order, and we are very much familiar with this topic. Ascending means smallest to largest. It is the way 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. In this example, you can easily understand what is ascending order of numerals. 213. 230 is greater than 213, than 245, which is greater than 230 and 213, then 277, and then the largest one, that is 291. So now let us solve one problem of ascending order. So it is our question, arrange in ascending order, and it is a set of numerals. See here, 28 lakh 28,335, 35 lakh 37,286, 19 lakh 95,764, 29 lakh 89,632. At first, we will arrange all these numerals in Indian place value chart. It starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. Because there are only 7 digits, maximum 7 digits in these numerals. That's why I took places up to 10 lakh only in this place value chart. Now what we will do, we will arrange this, and we will always start from ones place. 5 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 3 at hundreds place, 8 at thousands place, 2 at 10,000s place, 8 at lakhs place, and 2 at 10 lakhs place. In similar way, we will arrange all these numbers in this place value chart. Now understand how we will find out the ascending order of these numerals. Ascending means, we already know, it means smallest to largest. So at first we have to find out the smallest one. So how we will do it? Just see here. Always we will start from here. As you know that there are 7 digits in all the numerals, so we can't judge according to the number of digit in a numeral. So we will now identify from the places. Now see here, we will always start from this place. 10 lakhs place, there are 2, 3, 1 and 2 digit. So which digit is the largest and which digit is the smallest? That you have to see. 3 is the largest and 1 is the smallest. And at first, for ascending order, we have to identify the smallest one. So this one is the smallest. It means at first we will write this. Then after this, just see here, there are 2 among these. So which one will come now? Because 2 is same in both the numerals, so we will compare from here. 2 is same, so that's why we will compare from here. 8 and 9. Which one is the smaller? Definitely 8. It means this numeral will come. Now at last here, then this numeral, and then at last we will see this one is the largest one. So this will come at the last. So it is the way. Just see here, 19 lakh 95,764. Then 28 lakh 28,335. You know why? Because 8 is smaller than 9. Then 29 lakh 89,632. This numeral will come. And at last, because 3 is the largest among all at 10 lakhs place, that's why this numeral is the largest one. 35 lakh 37,286. It means it is our ascending order. We can easily find out. Let us revise descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. For example, there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to arrange it in descending order. What we will do? 4 is the largest one, so we will put 4 on the top, then 3, then 2 and then 1. This is the descending order. Now another example, just see, 291 is the largest one, then 277, then 245, then 230, and at last the smallest one, 213. Let us find out descending order for large numbers. So arrange in descending order, and it is a set of numerals. 20 lakh 3,568, 1 crore 98 lakh 72,003, 2 lakh 79,868, 2 crore 16 lakh 930. At first what we will do, we will arrange all these numerals in place value chart. As I already told you that we will start from ones place always. So we will write 8 at ones place, 6 at tens place, 5 at hundreds place, 3 at thousands place, 0 at 10,000s place, this 0 at lakhs place, and this 2 at 10 lakhs place. In similar way, we will write another 3 numerals in place value chart. Now, in descending order, we know that at first we will find out the largest one. So how we will find out the largest one? Just see here, according to the number of digits, we can see these two has the number of digits, like how many digits these two numerals have. Just see here, these two numerals have 8 digits, and this numeral has 7 digits and this numeral has 6 digits. So definitely 8 digits are greater than other. So that's why these two numerals we will consider for the largest one. And here we will compare the digit. Here is 1 and here is 2. So which one is the largest? This one. This one is the largest digit. So that's why it will come first. Then this one, this numeral will come, and then this numeral will come because it has 7 number of digits, and this numeral has only 6 number of digits. That's why it will come at last. It is the smallest among all. So it is our sequence. Just see here, 2,16,930. It is our largest number. Then as compared to this, 1 crore 98 lakh 72,003. It is the smaller than this number, and 20 lakh 3,560. It is smaller than this number, and the very smallest one among all is this 2,79,868. So it is our descending order. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.